Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T8, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now scroll down, find and select System and Updates, and here you will notice Language and Input. Just tap on it and click on Language and Region, and here smoothly by tapping on Add Language you can choose the one that you would like to apply. So as you can see here, you've got the whole list of languages. It's pretty wide, you can also update it. And let me choose, for example, Portuguese from Brazil. And you can also change the region to Brazil. So let me mark Brazil. And as you can see, here it is. Now you can use your device in Portuguese. Everything has been changed. As you can see, you've got settings and all the icons changed to Portuguese. Then whenever you would like to go back to English or maybe change the language one more time, just go Language and Region, and you can either swipe the preferred language up, in my case it's English, and it will be automatically changed, or you can remove unnecessary languages. Just click on more icons, select Remove Languages, mark those that you would like to delete and tap on bin icon, then tap on OK to confirm, and then you can smoothly add a language the same way as previously. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.